Yeah, this is the Helm Crag route and Grasmere, but just walking around just looks absolutely amazing. And you always say when you go on holiday somewhere that you're like, oh, I could move here, oh, I could live here, no problem. But yeah, just all around me, it's just pure stunning scenery. Just look at the views from up here. We're about halfway now towards the top of Helm Crag, as you can see. Not too far. I say that's probably about another hour and a half to get there, and then the long descent down. But it is going to be amazing views from up there. I can't wait to get to the top and see. I don't know if you can see. There's two people there, just look like little ants going to the top. But yeah, we soldier on. I've just got to a little plateau point before making the steep descent up to Helm Crag. And look what I've been greeted with. Oh my God, this is what I came here for. As far as the eye can see, absolutely breathtaking. Oh, I'm so happy. It really is. It is mind blowing. Get down to the van, get coffee on the go, get some food, and again chill out for the night. But what an epic day. To finish off, stunning views of the lake going back down. Yeah, can't beat it. I'm absolutely shattered and my knees are shot to pieces, but climbing Helm Crag is probably one of the best hikes that I've done to date, and just been pretty amazing. The way down was pretty hard on the old knees because, like I say, it's quite steep going up and pretty steep coming down, to be fair, on the other side. I thought maybe it'd be a bit easier, but yeah, so far so good. Been an amazing day, and hopefully be doing more tomorrow. Literally just starting the trail now. It's going to be the biggest one yet. This is going to be Langdale Pikes. And you see it in the background. Yeah, it's a circular route, so it goes all the way around. But yeah, this is going to be the biggest one, so this is probably going to take it out of me today. But looking forward to getting a drone out because there's not much wind, so hopefully when I get to the top, I should be able to get some epic drone shots. But we'll see. Wow, this is proper steep. It's literally like that. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but yeah, it's really steep. Loose scree and rocks falling and what have you. Not too bad, and sounding a bit over dramatic, but it's not for the faint-hearted. And if you've got a fear of heights, I wouldn't attempt it. But already come up this section here. It's it's like that, but it's all good fun. Let's carry on. Going up this very steep embankment, trying to get to the top there before heading over across here. But I'm not even sure if this is the right way because this was pretty dodgy going up through the valley which the scree was just so loose and just falling down, and then coming up the side of this embankment, which is just so steep, it's unreal. I mean, literally it was like that, and I thought one wrong foot in here and I'm gone. But yeah, I've got to get to the top somehow, so I just thought I'll pick a route and go for it. But I genuinely think I've took a wrong turn somewhere. I've just got to get to the top and yeah, figure it out from there. But yeah, definitely I could turn around without being fucking about slipping here. But this all the way down there, that is just so dodgy. It's but yeah, makes good fun. I am an absolute weapon of a man. I completely took the wrong turn. I don't know if you can see, but down here there's people walking across there, and that is the route I should have took. There's not even goats that come up here. It's fucking ridiculous. For a second now I was just thinking to myself, do I go back? But I think it'd be more dangerous going down. So just got to get on with it. And oh god, but that is definitely where I should have been. So I got to the top of all that sort of cliff edge and scree and loose soil and what have you. It was yeah, I was on myself for a little bit, to be honest with you, because I just thought, what if this leads to a dead end? Oh, that's boggy. Yeah, what if it leads to a dead end and I've got nowhere to go and I'd have to go back down? That wouldn't be nice at all. That would be even harder. But yeah, up on top, and I probably lost about an hour, to be honest, because I was sat there having a bit of lunch and flying the drone, and yeah, it was just nice just taking it in, and it was just all worthwhile in the end. Once I got to the top I was just like, wow. But I don't know if you can see it behind me, just the pure sort of all the valleys that dip in where it's all in the shadow. Just yeah, it's absolutely mega. How's your day going, mate? Lunch with a viewer. I honestly can't describe how this place makes me feel. It is just, they say that nature's good for the soul, and it really is, because no matter where you look around here, it really is just, wow, I haven't seen that. I've only just got to the top myself here. That there, that looks incredible. I'm going to go for a walk over there now and have a look at it. But yeah, all this, just, yeah, it's a different world. Up here, peace and quiet, away from life and bills and work and hassle. It's just perfect. It really is. It's always good to get out for a hike and go wander off into a plantation or go and hike a mountain, because it's, yeah, it just makes you feel different. It hits differently. But yeah, so if anybody ever comes to the lakes, or you've done it before, definitely should come and visit the Langdale Pikes, the circular route, because you won't be disappointed at all. Bit hard getting up here, well, very hard actually, but I'm sure you'll figure a way to get around it. But it's definitely a must do, it really is, if you come to the lakes. But just look at that. Yeah, breathtaking, really is. I'll remember this for a long time. The views all around, oh, as you would expect, just stunning. There's no other really words to describe it. It's yeah, picturesque in every aspect. That is some mileage I've covered today, a lot of it in the wrong direction. But here is the highest point. There's a load of people on there now. Don't know if you can see it, it's just matchsticks by the looks of it. But that's where I'm going to be heading, and then gotta go all the way across these, round, down the other side, and back down to the van, where I'm going to have a much needed and well deserved beer, some food, movie, and chill again. But I still have so far to go, and I'm talking like I'm nearly over it. I'm only about halfway, but yeah, it's been an adventure today. It really has. Going in the wrong direction and trying to get up that embankment. That was tough on the legs, but yeah, it's just look at it. I know I keep saying look at it as if I've not showed you before, but honestly, like even for me to be up here and looking at it constantly, it just getting so much downtime up here because I'm just sitting down and literally looking at it all the time. But there's not a breath of wind, and hopefully I got some good drone footage, so that'll be nice to put together when I get home. But yep, you can see them a bit clearer now. There they are, all the people up there taking pictures and having their lunch and just taking a bit of downtime, which we all need. So yeah, let's march on and get up there. It's me just stepping out of the van and waking up to this. What a beautiful sight. Yeah, I think it's going to be another great hiking day. I took a different route today up the Langdale Pikes, as I was meant to go on to Helvellyn somewhere else, but I decided to stay here for another day, so a couple of more routes. But yeah, I took this, like, just seeing this route on its own, and everybody seems to be going up a different side, and absolutely nobody around at all. And this is just mega. Nice little waterfall down there. And now I'm gonna get the drone out again, I think, because there's not much wind at all. A little bit, but nothing too major. Should be able to get that out. And just look at it. I was going to go further up because yesterday the route that I came down was down that side, and yeah, that was quite steep and quite bad on the knees. But yeah, I don't think I'm going to venture too far from here, to be honest with you. There's another couple of little routes that I can take over there, but yeah, get the drone out time. Cooked up, now sat at the back of the van enjoying those priceless views. What a setup. Well, this is the last day of the trip. hopefully save the best to last by doing the Helvellyn via Stride and Edge. Really looking forward to this because the top part of it is like a knife edge, and I've seen a few people go up and have to come back on themselves purely because they just can't go across it. It's too daunting because it's quite a drop on either side. So, but I'll give it a go, see how we get on, and also hopefully get the drone out. A bit windier today, so I don't know whether I'll be able to do it or not, but again, get up there, see how it pans out, and see whether we can get out or not. But if not, I'll take it all in, enjoy it, look forward to this Stride and Edge, and no doubt I'll be back for more at some point. But yeah, what an amazing trip so far, and the weather over Easter has just been glorious. It really has. Can't ask for anything better really. So yeah, looking forward to it, and off to the starting point now. On the return part of this hike, that stream is going to be getting my head either dipped in it, or certainly going to be getting that nice ice cold refreshing water splashed all over it, because no doubt I'll be absolutely roasted on the way back. Yeah, it'll be a nice way to end the hike. Just the start of the Helvellyn route. Stride and Edge, knife edge, cliff face, and as you can see, people already starting to climb. But yeah, not far from it now, so literally 2 minutes away. Bring it on. Well, that's Helvellyn via Stride and Edge completed. Just making the last descent down now. I've got about another half an hour back to the van. Thanks for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed it, and see you next time.